All right, today we're tackling one of the titans of the fitness world, the pull-up. Look, we all know it's tough, but the rewards, they are absolutely massive. We're about to break down 13 incredible benefits that are going to make you want to find the nearest bar and just start pulling. Let's get into it. So think about it for a sec. If you had to name the ultimate test of upper body strength, what would it be? For a whole lot of people, the answer is the pull-up. It's a super fundamental movement that shows off incredible relative strength. That's your ability to lift and control your own body against the pull of gravity. But before we get into why it's so amazing, let's just make sure we're all on the same page about what it is.
Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The whole thing seems simple, right? You hang, you pull. But the real magic is in the details. Your palms are facing away from you, and you have to fire up this huge network of muscles just to lift your entire body until your chin clears that bar. It's this pure raw expression of power. So let's break down exactly where all that power comes from. So first up, let's talk about what pull-ups do for your foundational strength. And we're not just talking about looking good. We're talking about building a truly powerful functional body from the ground up. So benefit number one, pull-ups are the ultimate multitasker for your upper body. I mean, in just one single move, you're hitting your chest, your shoulders, and your arms. And that leads right into benefit number two. Your core gets a serious workout. To keep your body from swinging all over the place, your abs have to light up, creating this incredible stability. It's just so efficient, which is why it's amazing for overall upper body definition. And now, oh man, benefit number three, this is what pull-ups are famous for. We're talking about building an incredible back. They build up the muscles all along your spine for stability, your traps for that powerful look around your shoulders, and of course, your lats. Those are the wings that create that classic V shape. A strong back isn't just for show, it's your foundation for great posture and keeping injuries away. Okay, benefit number four is something you're going to feel every single day, even when you're not working out. Your grip strength is going to go through the roof. Every single rep is a major test for your hands and forearms. And that power? It translates directly into everyday life, from carrying all the groceries in one trip to finally winning that lifelong battle against a stubborn pickle jar. It's functional strength at its best. All right, benefit five is a really, really big deal, especially as we get a little older. It helps you fight off muscle loss. Did you know after you turn 30, you can lose between 3 and 8% of your muscle mass every decade? That's kind of scary, right? But big compound exercises like the pull-up are one of your best weapons against this, helping you stay strong and vital for years and years to come. And that brings us to benefit number six. Pull-ups are the ultimate plateau buster. You know that feeling when you're just stuck, when your progress just grinds to a halt? The pull-up is the perfect challenge to shock your system. It's so difficult that it forces your muscles to adapt and grow in totally new ways, which can reignite your motivation and give you this amazing sense of accomplishment. Okay, we've talked about muscle, but let's shift gears a bit because the benefits of pull-ups go way deeper than just what you see in the mirror. They have a huge impact on your health from the inside out, both mentally and physically. So benefit number seven is all about what's happening upstairs, your mental health. Strength training is a total game changer for your brain. It helps knock down levels of cortisol, that's the stress hormone, and it helps you fight off fatigue. Then you get benefit number eight, the mood boost. Your body releases endorphins. It's like your body's own natural high. The results? Studies have shown it leads to better self-esteem and less anxiety. It's a workout for your mind for sure. And the physical health perks? Man, they are just as huge. This brings us to benefit 9, way better metabolic health. Doing pull-ups regularly can help lower your blood pressure and manage your blood sugar. And benefit number 10 is a crucial one. It helps reduce visceral fat. That's the really dangerous internal fat that hangs around your organs. Basically, pull-ups help turn your body into a healthier, more efficient machine from the inside out. Benefit number 11 is all about building a stronger framework. Literally, your skeleton. Here's how it works. During a pull-up, your muscles are pulling on your bones, right? Well, that sends a signal to your body. It's like you're telling it, hey, we need reinforcements here. And your body responds by sending more minerals to that spot, making your bones denser and tougher. You are literally building a stronger you. You might think of pull-ups as just a strength move, right? Well, think again. Benefit 12 is a surprise cardio session hiding in plain sight. If you do your sets with really short rests in between, your heart rate is going to shoot up, and you can turn your strength training into a pretty intense cardio workout. You're building muscle and boosting your heart health at the exact same time. It's an awesome 2-for-1 deal.
Okay, so we've covered raw strength and all the amazing stuff happening on the inside. Now, for part 3, let's talk about how pull-ups can literally sculpt your physique and improve the way you move through the world every single day. And this brings us to the big one, the one everyone talks about. Benefit number 13, carving out that classic V shape. This is like the hallmark of an athletic build, and pull-ups are the master tool to get you there. They build that width in your upper back by hammering your lats, and when you combine that with stronger, more rounded shoulders, you get that powerful look of a wide back that tapers down to your waist. Now, a fantastic side effect of building that powerful back? Awesome posture. When you strengthen all those muscles that support your spine, they naturally help pull your shoulders back. You'll find yourself standing and walking taller, which just projects confidence. It's pretty much the perfect antidote to that desk slump so many of us have. But of course, like our sources say, if you already have a back issue, it's always a good idea to check with your doctor first. You know, one of the absolute best things about pull-ups is just how simple and accessible they are. You don't need a fancy gym membership or a ton of expensive equipment. All you need is a solid bar. You can find one at a local park, you can get one for your doorway at home, whatever works. It saves you time, it saves you money, and it gives you a clear path to getting seriously strong. So, by now, you're probably thinking, okay, I'm in. But what if doing even one pull-up feels totally impossible right now? Hey, don't worry. The journey to your first pull-up isn't as scary as it looks. We've got a plan for that. Look, the secret here is progression. Nobody just walks up to a bar and starts banging out perfect reps from day one. You can start with something like assisted pull-ups, using a resistance band or a machine to take off some of your body weight. Once you get stronger, you can move on to different variations, like bent knee pull-ups. Every little step helps you build the strength you need to finally nail that full, unassisted pull-up.
So there you have it. 13 incredible reasons why the pull-up is so much more than just an exercise. It builds serious strength, boosts your mental health, sculpts your body, and even strengthens your bones. It really is the complete package. It's not just a workout, it's a goal, it's a challenge, and it's a symbol of what you're capable of. So the only real question left is, are you ready to rise to it? Thanks for tuning in.